Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got some swatches of Nails Inc Bright Ambition collection, as well as some nail art using these polishes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. I'm going to start by prepping all of my nails with Nails Inc Nailkale Superfood Base Coat. This is going to help strengthen my nails as well as prevent any staining. So the first polish is called Whiteout, and this is a classic white cream polish. So here's the first coat of Whiteout, and honestly, I don't think I can say enough about this polish. This polish has quickly become my favorite white polish, which is a staple in my collection because of the wide brush and the self-leveling formula. Here I am applying 2 coats, but depending on your application, you could definitely get away with 1 coat. Here is 2 coats of Whiteout. This one is called Strictly Bikini, and this is a super bright neon coral polish. It looks a lot more pink in the bottle, but it's definitely pulling a lot more orange in person. So here's the first coat of Strictly Bikini. This color is so fun and summery, and the formula is so great for a neon polish. It's really pigmented. It's not a one coater like Flamingo was, but it definitely does not need a white base, and it's opaque in 2 coats. It also dries super shiny without a top coat. So here is 2 coats of Strictly Bikini. So the next one is called It's 12 p.m. Somewhere, and this is a purple jelly polish. Here's the first coat of It's 12 p.m. Somewhere, and because it is a jelly formula, it's not going to be super opaque, and it's actually pretty sheer on that first coat. This is the second coat of It's 12 p.m. Somewhere, and I can still see a little bit of my nail line, so I will be applying a 3rd coat. And here is the 3rd coat of It's 12 p.m. Somewhere. It does dry with a slight satin finish, but you can always just apply a top coat for that glossy look. So here is 3 coats of It's 12 p.m. Somewhere. So the next polish I have is called Not Invited, and this is a true blue cream polish. So here is the first coat of Not Invited, and as you can see, it is completely opaque on that first coat. This polish seriously has such an amazing formula. So here is 1 coat of Not Invited. And now onto some nail art inspired by Paulina's Passions. I'm going to start by applying Nails Inc Nailkale Superfood Base Coat to all of my nails, and then applying Edge Perfection all around my nails for easy cleanup. Then on a wax paper, I'm going to apply Whiteout in the shape of a rectangle that's slightly larger than my nail. Then I'm going to apply a few strokes of Not Invited, Strictly Bikini, and It's 12 p.m. Somewhere over the white, and then blend all those colors together using a couple more strokes of Whiteout. Before that has a chance to dry, I'm going to pick it up with a stamper and roll it onto my nail. Then I'm going to separate the edges with a cuticle pusher and remove the Edge Perfection from my nail. Next, I'm going to take a brush dipped in acetone just to clean up around the edges. And finally, I'm going to use Nails Inc 45-second top coat with Kensington Caviar to seal in my design. And that's it! Here's the finished design. I think this is a really fun collection for summer, and my favorite polish apart from Whiteout, which is my favorite white polish, is probably Strictly Bikini because it's just such a gorgeous neon orange coral polish. It doesn't need a white base, and it self-levels really nicely like all Nails Inc polishes. But yeah, I just really like this color, especially for the summer. And I also think that Not Invited is such a gorgeous polish. It's a true one coater, and it's a really pretty blue cream polish. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you missed my last video, I did swatches and some nail art using Nails Inc. Flock U Duo, and you can watch that by clicking your screen or the link in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!